Welcome. I'm Terry, the trading nomad. What do I mean by that? I travel the country, the United States, full time, and I fund my travels trading the foreign currency exchange market. It's also called Forex. A lot of people are into it. A lot of people lose in this market because they just don't know what they're doing. And people are out there looking for someone who knows what they're doing. This is my 10th year trading full-time. I'm going into my 4th year traveling full-time. So I'll share my travels with you. I'll tell you where I'm at. I'll show you my trades. You can get a lot of them for free. I give away free trades on my Telegram channel. Check out the Telegram channel in the description. And if you want more trades, I have a paid subscription, but you can do a lot with these free trades. Now, this is not, if you understand this, if you understand trading, this is not a signal service. I'm not just providing a signal. I'm actually showing you the actual trades I'm in. Here's a couple trades I'm in right now. Took those on Friday. I'm recording this on Monday, and it is heading towards profit. Now, if you don't know what trading is, here's what's crazy about it. The app that you see, it's my mobile device on the screen. The app that you see is free. It's called MetaTrader, and you can get a free broker account. I'll give you some resources in the description. And of course, I have resources in my Telegram channel. If you go to the tradingnomad.com, you'll get direct access to the trading channel. So I share my trades, and I use this as an income source. I also use it as an investment source, and it's really considered passive profits. Now, I'm different in the sense that I'm not really here to teach someone every aspect of trading, and I'm not going to do this massive analysis. I've already got it figured out. In fact, I'm going to say something pretty bold that if you follow along, you'll eventually believe. You're not going to believe it out of the gate, especially if you're a Forex trader. Let me tell you this. My trades do not lose. What? How's that possible? If you follow along, you will see what I'm talking about. In fact, I will do other videos. This is the first video of my YouTube channel here. If you follow along and watch other videos, I will go into those specifics. You might be saying to yourself, if you're a Forex trader now, you might be saying to yourself, it's not possible. The guy's full of it. All you got to do is follow my trades. It's really simple. You will see what a no loss, completely winning, ending in a net profit trade is. Now on YouTube here and on my free channel at the tradingnomad.com, my free Telegram channel, I trade and I show that specific trade on an ongoing basis. If you want more trades, if you want more activity, then you can subscribe. And I will tell you this right now. The subscription cost for what I'm giving is so low, I'm most likely going to have to continually increase it as people come in, as the group grows. But I'm just getting started. This is literally video number 1. So again, I travel full-time and I fund my travels trading. So you'll notice there's a lot of people on the internet and on YouTube. They're just totally focused on trading. And frankly, I do this as a passive income. It is passive profits. And no one likes you saying that on the internet because all of the people that came before me, they kind of misled you. Maybe they lied to you. What's interesting about what I'm doing here is it's completely 100% transparent. I tell you when I'm taking a trade. You'll see the screenshot. We're looking at my live mobile device right now of a trade that I've scaled into. I took the original sell trade, NZD/JPY. I just hit the button on the mobile device. Again, this is not a video about how to trade. I will make videos like that, but it's literally just clicking a button. If I tell you to sell, you hit the sell button. If I tell you to buy, you hit the buy button. And it's at your own risk. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not going to tell you exactly what to do with your money or how much risk to take or not to take. I'm going to show you my journey. I'm going to show you what I do. And if you'd like to jump in and surf that wave of nothing but net profit in your foreign currency exchange, Forex trading account, then follow along. The other thing I'm going to do is keep this extremely simple. Everyone seems to make this so hard, but it's not any harder than what I told you. If I tell you to buy, you hit the buy button. If I tell you to sell, you hit the sell button. This is not a signal. My trades would be considered a trade alert or a live trade setup. That's what it is. It's also not price specific. If you're a Forex trader, it's not price specific, meaning I tell you to buy, you can buy any time before I take profit. I will show you when I take profit. I have kept this so simple. I enter a trade, I keep an eye on it. I scale in to additional trades if the price goes against me a little bit. In this particular case, it has. I'm about 50-50 break even right now. But this trade will end in a profit. Watch my channel, follow along. You will not see me take a loss on this trade. Now, I'm making one assumption, is that there's enough money in your account to actually bid enough to make the kind of money that you want. That's a whole other concept. Again, there'll be hundreds of videos that I make that show you how to deal with the specifics, the mathematics. It's really pretty easy. But it's also just as easy as hitting the buy button or the sell button and then taking profit when I take profit. And I post all of that 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. And hear me out on this. A trade is a trade is a trade. You bid what you want. You bid what's relevant to your account. I trade a half dozen or more accounts, and I will show different accounts all the time, different trades. But I'll give you an example. The free side of this, where you come on over to thetradingnomad.com and get access to my free trades, it's just going to be one running profitable trade after the other. As a member, you can have half dozen or more trades. Maybe you're someone who likes to take one trade at a time. Maybe you're someone who likes to trade a lot of volume. Maybe, and I think probably more importantly, the kind of people I'm looking for is the people that have no idea what Forex trading is. Because again, I don't think it's about me teaching you how to trade, because here's the deal. Your average person can't do this on their own. You can take my trades all day long. You don't even have to think about it. You don't have to analyze it. You don't have to guess. My trades are very clear. Again, this is my 10th year full time, so I know exactly what I'm doing. I'm really interested in accessing people and connecting with people who have no idea about this industry. Why do I say that? When I say the industry, Forex, foreign currency exchange trading, why do I say I would be more interested in someone who's never done this? Because here's the real deal. People that trade, they have been taught the wrong way to do it, and their belief set is that they must be doing it right. They got taught by a professional trader. And I have to tell you, I've seen thousands of those people, and they struggle. I do not. I figured out a system, I figured out a strategy, and I put it out there, and you can take the trade or not. Now, if you're brand new, this app is free. The MetaTrader app, it's free. A broker account is free. Setting up a demo account where you can practice, completely free. The only thing you really need is someone such as myself that will give you a profitable trade. All of my trades are profitable. I'm not going to go into the details right now of why that's true. Follow along with the channel, and I'll flesh all of that out. Now, someone who's traded before just heard me say all of my trades are profitable. Skepticism just went off the chart with that person. I get it. That's fine. But what if I'm right? What if I'm completely serious, transparent, and truthful about what I'm telling you? What if? Pretty cool, right? Well, guess what? I am. And in fact, this is very easy for me. 10 years it took me to figure this stuff out. In that 10-year career, I would say at least my last 4 years were nothing but profitable. So again, I'm just that guy who figured it out. I figured it out. And if you'd like to figure it out, and maybe more importantly, live the lifestyle that I'm living, because I'm totally free. I travel the country. You guys will be able to follow me. I'm going to have some short videos that I make, or I'll probably have a dedicated shorts channel where I focus that channel more on certainly trading and the profits, but where I'm at, what I'm doing, and just a lifestyle of freedom. That's really the type of person I'm looking for. Would you like to generate some passive profits and have a better lifestyle for yourself? Would you like to be free like me? Maybe you would. So it's not necessarily about becoming some person that sits in front of your computer, because I don't do that. I do it all on my mobile device. I just hit the trade, I enter, I buy, I sell, and we end in a profit. In fact, I can take you over to the Telegram channel right now that you would get access to for free and show you literally the first trade I started making public, which was last week. And it's right here. I just closed AUD NZD at a $7,156 profit. That trade lasted, what, a day and a half, 2 days? Now that's my account, my bid, my money, but the trade ended in a profit for me. Now, if you don't have a large account, if you don't want to have a large account and you can't afford to bid the sizes that I bid, because I've been growing this for a long time, you can start out and you can bid the minimum. You can bid 10 cents. What did I bid here? $270, $710. But you can bid as little as 10 cents. Whether you earn $1 or $1,000, it's all passive profits. Now, a lot of people want to learn how to trade. Let me just tell you this. By taking my trades, maybe even just say it this way, by blindly taking my trades, enter a buy trade, enter a sell trade, take profit when I take profit, or take profit whenever your account is at a profit level that you want. You just hit the button and you say, I'll take that. It's exactly what I did with these two trades. And then, of course, the current trade I'm in, you can see it's fluctuating. It's Monday. The market's a little bit slow. It's the middle of the summer. It's up $40 right now. But this trade, mark my words, will end in profit. The only assumption that I make is that I myself or you have bid enough that fits your account, or the proper amount that fits your account. We can talk about all that stuff. But again, you can practice for free. Free app, free broker account, free demo account. You can practice for free and find out if what I'm telling you and the trades I give you, you could find out pretty much immediately the first week how well you're going to do with it. This is the easiest way to fund your life that has ever existed on the planet. The Forex market, go look it up on Google. It's a $5 to $6 trillion per day market. $5 to $6 trillion per day move through this market. The few hundred or the few $1,000s that I extract or that you extract doesn't affect anything at all. We are just riding the wave of profitability. Now, moving forward, I know I'm going to get a lot of questions. I always do. And I also know the questions you should be asking. So we're going to cover those on this channel. Your first step is to go to thetradingnomad.com, download the Telegram app. Maybe you already have Telegram, and log into the channel. I do an ongoing running commentary and screenshots of exactly what I'm doing. And the cool thing about it, it's not time specific. It's money specific. So I entered this trade on Friday. You could enter this trade right now. Here it is Monday. You could enter now. You could have missed that trade on Friday, and you could enter it right now, because I have not taken profit on this entire, what you call a basket of trades. I've not taken profit yet, but the moment I do, I will post that, and you can either take profit early, you can wait until after me, or you can take profit when I say to take profit, or when I say I'm taking profit. Now, what's interesting about this, if you have no idea what the Forex or the foreign currency exchange market is, it's worldwide. You can see we're trading the NZD JPY pair. We're trading the New Zealand dollar against the Japanese yen. Worldwide, again, free app, free broker account, free demo account, free channel where you get my free trades. If you want more than that, then you can become a member. You can get access to the member channel. You just literally move over to the Telegram member channel and you get all the trades you ever wanted and all the help, guidance, and support you need. This could not get any more simple. So this is the intro video. I appreciate you watching. Follow along. Get access to the free trades, thetradingnomad.com. Passive profits at the click of a button using a free app. That's it. I'll see you in the next video.